Hello guys, today is another day. I'm going to give you a good strategy that can help you to win your bet slip. But sometimes, this is a prediction. Sometimes it goes well, sometimes it's not very good. So we need to know that if you find this strategy, you must be careful with your stake, guys. So stake responsibly. Stake money that you can afford to lose. Don't stake much money, but we are staking, and we hope that we are going to win. Okay. Today, guys, I'm give you a good strategy. It calls burst him to score. Okay. Burst him to score. What means? It means that goal. So if you want to predict, if you know to predict goal, it's very easy to predict over 1.5. Okay. So it's very good to predict of 1.5. But today I'm giving you, just look at this place. Let me show you. You see this 3.18 odds. Okay, only 2 games. So if you predict both team to score, I'm sure that you can get 2 games or 3 games to have a 3 odds, and surely we are going to win, guys. Okay. This strategy, it calls Boston to score, which means goal. So what is the trick that I'm going to show you? I'm going to show you a very good trick that can help you a lot to win your bet slip. You can add even 4 games or 3 games. Don't worry about that. Okay. Let us start, guys. First of uh, before I start, I need you to know what the meaning of strategy. Okay. Strategy, it means that the formula that arranged from the bookmakers. Okay. It calls a strategy. So we are find our strategy to make wins. Okay. We are find a strategy to make win. So if you know what the meaning of strategy, you cannot suffer about that. Strategy can happen or might not happen. Everything can happen. Okay, because this is a football, it's not a fix. Okay. Let us start. First of all, I will find today games. Let me show you today games. Okay. When you tap on it, like this. Okay, this is all matches for today. So I recommend you to find the odds. Not on odds, we are going to check a point. Okay, we are going to check a point per each side, home teams and away team. Okay, home team and away team. We're going to look at opportunity from a point. Okay, let me find the game, then I will show you how I do to find these 3 odds. Okay. I'm sorry for that. I'm not knowing English more, so I need. I'm sure that you understand what I'm talking about. Okay. Okay. End of this video, I will give you a correct score. Okay. I will give you a correct score. End of this video. So, just I'll give you a correct score, guys. Let me find the match. I need you to know something. Why bookmakers change the odds all the time? Why? Okay, there lies secret about these odds. I find the odds that. Okay, it's not this. Just be careful about finding the point that I'm going to show you here. Be careful. finding the point. Okay, I'm in exercise. Let us look this section. Okay, I need to explain something here. Whenever you see the odds started from 25 points, maybe for home team or for away team, 25 odds, 25 point, sorry, and other team have 20 point. Only we are focusing about point. Okay, just look at this. There is 2.25, there is 3.20. Only we are focusing about point. So home team have 0.25 and away team have 0.20. The difference between of these 2 points must be a 5 point, so 25 and 20, the difference of 5 points. So whenever you see the point have a difference for 5 points, it means that match will happen a boss team to score. Okay, which means that match will happen a boss team to score. So you must be careful about this, but finding this point. Okay, to find this point. So this match I've already chosen about look at, I'm going to choose a boss team to score. Do you see? The boss team to score, yes, have a higher odds and no have a lower odds. Don't confuse about these odds. We are using a strategy, so we must do that strategy tells us. Okay, I need you to understand what I'm talking about. So this match will happen a goal per each side. If we look goals here, we must look at this and look at this. Both teams have an opportunity to score the goal. Okay, that's why I told you you can stake even over 1.5, no problem about that. When you found over 1.5 here, just look over 1.5, have a good odds. 1.53 is a very good odds for over 1.5. But I need you to understand that for me, I'm trying to predict a boss team score. That strategy tell me as. Okay, so this strategy is very powerful. When you be careful about that, I'm sure that you are going to make a profit about this strategy. So only 2 games. When you look this, just find we have 50 and 55. Let me show you the difference for point. We have 50 to 55. The only 5 point we are focusing about point. Okay, 2.50, 2.55. So you must be careful about this. If you choose 2 games or 3 games, you are good to go, guys, and I'm sure someday you will be making more profit about this strategy. Okay, so let me give you a correct score that I told you. Let me find the match that I can predict a correct score. It works. Sometimes cannot work because of football, but sometimes it works very nice. Okay, let me find the match that I'm going to giving you a correct score. Where the match? don't know if the match started. Maybe the match started. Okay, don't know about that. Just use this. Just use this 3 odds. Maybe it can help you for today. This is very good for you. 55, 20, 8, 62. It's very good. This very powerful. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Just subscribe and click the icon bell. That will be the first to get my notification. Whenever I post a video, you'll be the first one to get it. Thank you.